Our theme today is do not worry, and Jesus tells us not to worry about what we are to eat or to drink or our clothing, because he says the birds of the air don't worry about these things, so they don't grow corn, and yet our Heavenly Father feeds them. We're going to make a treat for some little birds today using an open pine cone. We need a piece of string, some seed, and lard, just probably a quarter of that, and a bowl to mix it in. I've tied a piece of string round my cone so that it will dangle when I hang it up for the birds to be able to eat from it. And then I have cut a piece of lard and put it in my bowl, ready to warm up very slightly so that I can mix the seed into it. A few seconds is just enough to make your lard soft enough to stir but not all runny. And I'm going to put some seed in there now to mix in with it. Any bird seed will do, but the smaller it is, probably the better. Probably not with sunflower seed in it, but this has got lots of sunflower hearts and some other goodies in it. There we are, nice paste. Have a look at your cone before you covered it with lard. It's very beautifully made and wonderfully symmetrical. Now I'm going to take the sticky mixture and poke it into each of the scales, which will make a lovely feast for the birds. I think even with a quarter of the lard you'll be able to cover a few cones with the fat. You might want to then, when it's complete, you might want to put it in your fridge to cool off. There we are, nearly finished. There, I think the birds will really enjoy that a lot. I think that